Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce spicy. Start by tasting your base sauce and deciding whether you need smoky, fresh, or sharp heat, then choose ingredients accordingly. Use a combination of chili flakes, fresh peppers, and a touch of hot sauce for layered spice. Balance with acid and a hint of sweetness, adjust slowly, and always taste as you go to reach the perfect heat level. Pick ingredients that match your desired spice profile and texture. Fresh jalapeno or serrano gives crisp, lively heat, while dried ancho or chipotle adds smoky, mellow spice. Crushed red pepper flakes are convenient and shelf-stable for steady heat, and hot sauce or chili paste can adjust spice without thinning the sauce. Combine types thoughtfully and simmer briefly to meld flavors and develop a balance. How and when you add spice changes the final taste significantly. Blooming garlic and powdered chilies in oil releases rich, toasted flavors, while adding fresh peppers later preserves bright, grassy notes. Simmering with dried chilies or flakes softens sharp edges and blends heat into the sauce, and finishing with a splash of acid or a pinch of sugar can harmonize spiciness. Taste often and adjust gradually for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.